736 on the key of A flat. So A flat is the 1, B flat is the 2, C is the 3, C sharp is the 4, E flat is the 5, F is the 7, G is the 6, then back to the 1. So each key has its own flavor. So on the key of A flat, you can see you can't use your thumb to play both notes there. So I'm using my left hand to support myself. So first things first, melody. So this is 7 1 7 6 7 1 2. Over the last notes, I'm doing a slow from B flat to C. So my left hand side, I'm playing G, F. You can see I had to stretch to play that B flat. Then my right hand side is doing C, F, and C, obviously. Normally my right hand is supposed to play B flat and C, but you can see every key is unique, so that's why I had to use my left hand to support. Then next chord over the 3, I have a rootless on my left, which is C. On right hand side I have B flat. So this next chord, left hand side I have F on the left. On my right hand side I have B major triad, B flat major triad, sorry, B flat, D, and F. Next chord, E on the left. On the right, B flat, C sharp, and E. Then to the 6 is slow from F sharp, G to A flat. Over the 6, left hand side I have F, C, and A flat. Then my right hand side is doing B flat, C, and E flat. Repeat the same thing, left hand side A flat, right hand side B flat, C, E flat. Then we wrap it up on the 4. So my right hand is playing G and C together. Then 1 7 6. Over my 4 left hand side I have C sharp, A flat, and E flat. So right hand side I have E flat. So that's very simple. Left hand side is doing A flat and B flat. Right hand side is playing F and G. So we have to play together. 1 7 6. So that's it. So that last chord, this is C sharp, A flat. Left hand, yes, C sharp, A flat, C sharp. Right hand side, E flat and A flat. So let's just play everything slow and wrap it up.